Okay guys, I am going to be showing you my grocery haul for today, everything that I purchased from Walmart. I'm going to be sharing everything that I got for me and my family and what we eat. And I'm also going to be showing you guys my dirty kitchen. All of this has to be cleaned out. Old food has to be removed. I need to wipe down the shelves, throw away some old condiments. And organize some of this mess. The lighting sucks in here, but you get the point. I also have to put up some of this stuff. I'm probably not gonna get to the floor today because it's so late and I have to cook dinner. So what we have here, my kids love juice, so I got some Minute Maid mango punch. I haven't tried it yet. They haven't tried it, but I'm quite sure it's good. Got 2 jugs of almond milk by Almond Breeze, very good brand. I got this big thing of peanut butter because I use it in smoothies. My kids love peanut butter and jelly. We eat it with our apples, so that was a really good purchase. I believe it was like $9 and some change. And it's a 5-pound jar. So yeah, that was good. Got some eggs. My kids stopped eating Hot Pockets for a minute during the quarantine, I'm guessing because they got tired of them. So I picked these up again just so they can have something to eat that's quick for them to grab. Got some of this Zatarain's fish fry for our fish. I put this on my whiting and on my shrimp. It's really good. I have Tyson buffalo chicken strips and then the regular crispy chicken strips. I have some, what is this? Sunbeam white bread. The kids love these for their peanut butter and jellies. Then I have Little Bites. I have the Party, the cupcake brand. And then I have the blueberry. For diet, so I'm using my baby's phone. I was saying I have the blueberry flavor of the Little Bites, and I have the birthday cake. Some Lori seasoning. This is always a go-to for chicken, turkey meat, whatever. I have some different colored peppers. I'm making salmon croquette patties and rice and corn tonight, so I'm gonna cut up some of the green peppers and put them in with some onions. And then I got some of the other tricolor ones for chicken fajitas. I may do some chicken fajitas or chicken fajita bowls. I have some sliced frozen peaches, 2 bags of these for my smoothies. Then I have some black beans. I think I bought 3 cans of black beans so I can put this in my Mexican bowls. I have some cherries. Me and my 3-year-old. He's not 2. My 3-year-old love cherries. I have some cut green beans. I have 4 bags of these. I have 2 bundles of bananas. I buy them green so that way I can cut them up and put them in the freezer for smoothies. I have some whiting fish. Blooper. I bought some chicken breasts. I'm gonna cut them up in half and then slice them in half again. Freeze those. Like this will give us probably like 4 meals. We don't go through a lot of chicken. Then I got 3 pounds of turkey meat, ground turkey. I have some long grain white rice for my Mexican bowls. And I have some of my salmon for tonight. I'm making the salmon patties. I bought 3 cans of that. Some regular sharp cheddar cheese. I got 2 bags of that. I put it in my salads. I have premium romaine salad with the carrots and everything cut up in it. I'm trying to eat better. Not completely healthy because I'm not perfect and I'm trying. So I have that with the carrots and everything in it. I usually don't like my salad with carrots in it, but we're trying. Then I have some cheese wraps, some Marble Jack cheese wraps that I seen on one of the other girl's YouTube channel. She actually puts her lunch meat inside of the cheese wrap versus bread. So I'm trying to cut out carbs. I have some honey roasted turkey lunch meat, and then I have some mesquite turkey lunch meat, and then I have buffalo chicken lunch meat. I got the kids 2 18-bag pack of chips. These were already open because I was starving during grocery shopping. Walmart's lines are terrible, so yeah, I popped one of those open already. And I have some Great Value chicken taquitos. I usually get the El Monte brand, but they didn't have it, so I grabbed those. That's gonna be the first time trying those. Then I have some strawberry toaster strudels, the value size for the kids, so they can make their own breakfast in the morning, because I am currently still working from home. So I also have a value pack of blueberry Eggo waffles. The kids love these. I got a value pack of fruit snacks. The 3-year-old actually is a candy fiend, so I'm trying to like get him away from like lollipops and stuff like that. I have some of these Ritz toasted chip sour cream and onion flavor for my tuna. These are really good. Y'all have to try these in your tuna. Like, as far as like you dip it instead of making a sandwich, it's so good. And then I have some French toast cinnamon bites from Great Value as well that the kids love. And again, this is my grocery haul. Those apples are fake. Those weren't a part of my grocery haul. Yeah, so we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna clean out the refrigerator. I'm gonna take you with me to clean that out, and then I'm gonna put everything up.